So you have your PhD or you have?
Sir, I'm continuing.
Which year now?
Sir, it's third year. I'm in third year.
Third year.
Yes, sir.
So why then you are almost in the process of completing the PhD? Then why you want to join civil service?
Sir, because I think research has given me depth and specialization, but civil service will give me the opportunity to implement my knowledge in wider field. I can be useful for wider field. It will give me the breadth to serve a larger population.
So what is P in Dhanadhanya Krishi?
Sir, sir, currently I'm unable to recall the basics.
Samruddh Kuttack, we are launching in Odisha. What is Samruddh Kuttack?
Sir, till I can know it, Samruddh Kuttack Yojana is for to motivate the farmer for organic farming. And to help small.
MSP you are giving in Odisha?
Sir, MSP, it's around rupees 2,300. We are giving.
300
yes,
plus
sir.
Some input subsidy also you are giving. How much?
Sir, that I don't know.
800, so total 3,000. What is the contribution of agriculture to our state GDP?
Sir, in Odisha is contributing around 20% to the state GDP, and in India, it is agriculture is contributing around 18% to the GDP.
What is the difference between natural farming and organic farming and zero budget natural farming?
Sir, in organic farming, we don't use any chemicals. We only use organic substances like biopesticides or biofertilizers. And sir, in zero budget farming, till I can recall that we spend minimum on the inputs. Sir, currently I can recall that only. Sir, we cannot shift directly to organic farming, as we have seen what happened in Sri Lanka. It will be very difficult to if we suddenly shift to organic farming because we have a huge population to feed. So it can eventually we can shift step by step. We can shift to organic farming. It also takes around 10 years to be stabilized. So we need to shift step by step for organic farming. Like Sikkim already has become fully organic. First,
why some NGO are protesting against the introduction of GM crop in India?
Yes, sir. Sir, GM crop, the NGOs are protesting because they think it's also true that because it may affect our biodiversity. They are concerned about the health issues and environmental impact of the GM crops. And they want that the bioethical, there is ethical dilemma also. They want that they must clarify that what will be the long-term effects of the GM crop. Therefore, they are not allowing. And also, our farmer will have to depend on the corporates, and for they can do the monopoly for GM crops. Therefore, they are also.
So, what is the objective behind millet mission?
So the objective behind millet mission is to revive our millet tribal tradition of agriculture. It is also nutrient rich, and also we have climate issues like millet is a climate resilient crop. It requires less water, and also it has very nutritious. Therefore, we are reviving millet. It will diversify our agriculture.
What is the use of drone? We are focusing on normal drone in this space. So what is the use of drone in agriculture?
So drones can be used for spraying of fertilizers and also for pesticides. We can use drone. It will reduce their labor cost.
Let me ask you a couple of questions. Quality. You are a bright girl. So, generally, after the assessment of the personality, which I find that you are very assured of yourself. There's no anxiety. So, basically, you have a very steady personality. The moment we know that, then we try to get into two things. One is how familiar are you with different asking and asking issues? And finally, how sound are you with your obstacle tickets? There are three boxes
Yes.
in which the interview is correct.
Yes, sir.
The chairman will ask you questions on your general personality. Then there will be somebody, some old fellow like me, who will ask about their parents. So there will be a professor who will ask about those.
Success.
So I will ask you a few current questions.
Okay.
Now, as you know that our Prime Minister went to Japan, now he's in China. So, and there is a lot of uncertainty after Mr. Trump has imposed very high tariffs on India. So first tell me, what are the sectors which are likely to be affected? Number one. And number two, how is India trying to meet this challenge?
Sir,
100% is kind of actually.
sir, US tariff is really hitting us very badly.
Why has that such high tariffs on us?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the US market, they want to occupy our agriculture market. They want to sell their GM seeds. They first they want, yes, opposing that, and also they want to.
Because of that, it is from 25 to 50%.
No, sir. Also, they want to occupy our dairy sector. They want to sell their non-veg milk. That also, and Trump think that India is not. He wants India to be a signatory to his Nobel Prize nomination, and he also wants
These
that
are all secondary reasons.
secondary reason. But primary reason, sir, till I know, it's they want our GM crop. They want their GM in agriculture sector. Oil. Yes, sir. That's.
You are a student of agriculture, so but what you are saying is absolutely correct.
Yes, sir.
But they also know that India has a very, very clear standard. Because
We are buying egg. Yes, sir.
because
Russian oil
We already have signed a free trade agreement
with UK.
European Union also, they know that on agriculture, on dairy products, on GM crops, we are not going to allow tariff-free goods from also lose. But his grouse is something else. Grouse is for what?
Rashmirekha oil. We are buying.
We are buying 35% of our oil. So, and we are buying only 2% from. So
Yes.
therefore, he wants.
Has to buy maximum from them.
Now, what is the other reason why he's angry with us?
Sir, he want.
The other reason is that while European Union, Japan, Bangladesh, Thailand, while negotiating with USA, they have said that all US goods will come to the country tariff-free. They have said that that we will buy oil from them. Third, they have said we will make investments in the US. So three things: tariff-free goods,
Investment
buy oil,
and investment.
so whereas India is not saying any of the three things. So say to sit and say, "Bada bada se more ke bada ichi katha manani, utti katha manani." So why he has reduced tariff on Pakistan, Bangladesh, Thailand to almost 20%. So therefore we are suffering. And which are the sectors where we are suffering? We're going to solve that.
Yes, sir. We are mainly suffering agriculture sector, and then export. Our exports,
Sector.
marine sector, shrimp, agriculture, shrimp, and then basmati rice that will be affected. Also, we have spices and
Textiles
garments, gems and diamonds. Textile garments.
Those are the most important.
Yes,
The
sir.
shrimp, what is the percentage of shrimp exports from India? But how much is the amount of shrimp export from Odisha? So Many people are very worried about the SIM business.
Yes,
It
sir.
is the point now first 5 minutes. Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir, I understood.
How much is the total SIM export from India to other countries? 140 million. Of which Odisha contributes 35%. 35% of that goes to this. And that is what. So,
Second.
so do you know that?
Yes.
Now let me ask one or two questions on politics. It would a straight out to Supreme Court a judgment. They take as revised judgment. Straight out.
Straight out. Straight out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What was the judgment? Why? You have to answer all the three things. What was the judgment? Why there was a given right? And what is the revised judgment?
The Supreme Court gave the judgment to remove all the stray dogs from NCR to a safer place, to shelter house, and the human one side he was
So the first
first.
judgment. Absolutely.
Then
Thank you and right.
there were two sides. One they
Was it violating any rules?
yes, sir, it was violating wildlife group. Their life also
What did that
matters.
do? What did that do?
The wildlife protection.
APC rule, having
What
APC rule, what is violated?
Animal
Birth control rules.
2020. What is this rule? What did that do?
Sir, I'm unable to recall.
When you catch a stray dog, you neutralize it,
Sterilize it.
sterilize it,
Sterilize it.
then you sanitize it, and then send it to the original place. Don't come purchase it as. So this the first judgment was against. Now what is the judgment?
Now Supreme Court has revised that we will take them to the shelter home, and then they will be vaccinated, and then they will send.
दो dogs थोड़ा wild dogs चलते हैं। मैंने दो
Aggressive.
सिमन
नहीं कीजिएगा।
किंतु बाकी जो माने ताको वैक्सीनेट करते so it is basically a midway old माने I think what the new judgment case is Justice Vikram. He has become globally famous. See, today everybody says that this is a judge who gave this good judge. See, I don't have a dog, but somehow I have become famous in the world. Justice Vikram. That's very interesting. First, world trade and process of judge. So, anyway.
Okay, so you have the glass painting and red painting.
Yes.
Glass painting.
So glass painting, I paint on used sauce bottles. I reuse it and I apply glass paint. There is color comes glass paint. Then I can use it for decoration and also as vase and can use it to give people. There I do glass painting, different types of design on it. That is glass painting, sir.
So have you taken any drop after class 2?
No, sir.
So 2016, then you almost did
20.
so 3 years.
4 years, sir, pass out in 16, then 16 to 20 agriculture. 4 years. Agriculture, 4 years. Then after PG.
So you are
No, sir, I am from Baleswar. Yes.
So जो FM कॉलेज क्या केस आप लोगों ने सॉफ्टवेयर इनिशिएटिव बस्ता है कौन सी सॉफ्टवेयर इनिशिएटिव
Software initiative. So the basics currently more recall करता नहीं, but of course women को safety पाई है थी वो. Women safety पाई. 24-hour helpline number. Yes, sir, I have heard about it. Thank you, safety या security पाई. Office workplace.
2013 the year of act. So all the as per the act what is required. Kind से पूछा नहीं पता सही का वाला सूत्र कॉलेज रे. They are found. As per the act today, you are supposed to form an internal complaints committee, and that committee must take note of it and proceed with it. So they have found that in Baleshwar, this committee is non-functional in most of the places. Most of the places.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है सर, thank you. बहुत भला आपने मैंने कैरियर का बहुत 90% अच्छी इतने टिके आपने कॉलेज रिलेटेड
I'll get depth of it.
किंतु
सर एक्चुअली आगुरी जोटी मु मग देखली सेठी टैरिफ कथा पचारथिले तो मु सेठी रशियन ऑयल कहथली तो मते कहले मेन रीजन होउची जीएम क्रॉप आउ डेयरी तो मु सर कहै त म आज एटा कहली